The UPLUS U1 riding lawn mower battery delivers strong cold cranking power, so riding mowers and garden tractors fire up quickly, even in chilly weather. Its sealed absorbed glass mat design means there are no spills, no leaks, and no need to top up water, making it essentially maintenance-free for busy homeowners. Built with very high purity lead plates, this battery tends to charge efficiently, hold power well between uses, and avoid the fumes sometimes associated with cheaper recycled options. The compact U1 group size fits many popular machines from brands like John Deere, Cub Cadet, Husqvarna, Craftsman, and others without awkward modifications. Good resistance to vibration and internal corrosion helps this battery stand up to bumpy lawns and seasonal storage, contributing to a service life that can stretch over several mowing seasons. Overall, the UPLUS U1 feels like a robust, install it and forget it upgrade for riders who want reliable starting and solid performance across a wide range of lawn equipment.